The mysterious and magnificent armillary sphere, the prosperous Chang'an city, and the hustle and bustle life. Sound of the Silk Road, the first original musical themed on the Silk Road, has attracted the attention of countless tourists since its regular performance in Xi'an City.
演跟唱相结合，然后我觉得这个比较新颖。通过舞台上这些历史细节的表演，一种历史的自豪感、文化的自豪感油然而生。
The Sound of the Silk Road is the world's first Silk Road-themed musical, jointly produced by Shaanxi Tourism Group and Nederlander Worldwide Entertainment in a 5-year collaboration. The musical is about a Chinese boy who grows up in a Western country, traveling back to the Han Dynasty 2,000 years ago. The audience can witness changes of the times as the boy grows mature. The musical brought together the world's top-notch teams of musical creation. Besides, it integrated various art forms, including music, dancing, puppetry, and martial arts, vividly reflecting cultures, everyday life, and customs of ethnic groups living along the Silk Road.
各种唱法的一个结合，去让这个剧更加的丰满，让观众有更深的代入感，更能够通过音乐来感受到当时的那种文化的魅力。
Well, the story and the characters were inspired by historical research, so that is all distinctly Chinese. By the Broadway style, we mean the techniques in the scenery, the lighting, the dance, puppets, magic effects, media, etc. All of these Broadway elements come together in a balance to tell the story and to provide sheer entertainment.
The Sound of the Silk Road has upgraded its naked eye 3D technology and holographic projection, perfectly integrating virtual scenes and real stages, so as to present the magnificent legend and culture of the Silk Road in a three-dimensional way. As China's first musical focusing on the Silk Road and facing the international market, it creates a new model of combining traditional musicals with tourism. Up to now, it has completed over 300 performances and attracted more than 70,000 visitors.
Tremendously entertaining and celebrating some of the great aspects of Chinese history. This is a bridge to Broadway audiences and international audiences that will have a fabulous time celebrating with us great moments in Chinese history.